What's up, guys? Probably can't see me right now, but if you can, so yeah, my headphones. Listen to the headphones so I can't hear the thunder outside. If it even is thundering, I doubt. I'm pretty sure it's done because it's like clear right over there. Let it focus. See? And clear right there, but it's not that clear here. So it's been raining. You see how muddy it is? It's been raining and there was a little bit of hail last night, so it sound like it don't sound like that, so it rained. I think it's gonna rain again tonight, so it had rained for the past 2 days, and power went out last night, just a little bit, just like 5 seconds. But yeah, the power went out last night, and power went out the day before last night when it rained. And yeah, that's how hard the rain was. So I think tonight's supposed to do that. And it's getting annoying. So I'm gonna have if he doesn't have camp, I'm gonna have somebody stay over. So Bitten, if you guys remember him, you can watch my videos of Bitten punching the can. There's a lot of videos of Bitten in them, and that's who Bitten is. Fun with Bitten and Grace. Fun with Grace and Bitten. You know, fun with Grace and Jazzy and sure Bitten. So you watch that, and there's Jazzy pulls me. I'm like, there's Bitten. Bitten laughs like crazy on that part. So I'm gonna have him stay over. I'm gonna take a video with us in there for you guys of what we're gonna do, and yeah, that's sweet tea. It's actually, yeah, it is sweet tea. I thought it was just normal tea. We have sugar so we can put it more sweet. Oh, we have Dozer in our yard. It just threw away though, because look at our tree. It's kind of why. But if you guys remember my tree in my front yard, it's gone. So, and there's some videos out in the front yard of my tree, which if there isn't, I'm going to post one because I make videos with this phone, but I forget to send it to YouTube. I'll send it to you guys, and then you can watch this and see the difference from this storm last Friday. So yeah, I love taking videos for y'all. You need to ask Bitten how much I love taking videos for y'all. Oh my gosh, I love it. Because every time we have the iPad, I'm like, dude, let's take a video and all that stuff. Because, see, Jazzy, you want me to post a new video. I'm trying so hard, but I have to think what I'm going to do. And I ain't going to do covers and parodies yet. Sorry, guys, but nope, I'm not yet. I will really soon. I promise, but maybe next week I will, but I don't know. Let's see. If you guys want to comment down below and tell me what song I should do for a cover and a parody of which one you want me to do. If you want me to do both, just say cover and parody and then the song they want me to do. And yeah, if I don't know it, I may not put it in my video, but if I know it and I sing it, I'm going to say your name, and I'm going to go thank you, or whatever your name is, and yeah. So, I don't know what else now. Sweet tea, yeah. Look at this cup. It's a Halloween cup and it's awesome. It's awesome. There's a cord right in front of your face. I'm sorry. There, I unplugged it. Okay, my headphones. Swing, swing, swing. So, I don't know if you can see it today. I'm not sure, but I hope you guys do, because I like having somebody stay over when it's storming, because like when it's storming, I have to sleep early. Sometimes, but last night I did because, well, if it's on a weekend like Friday or Saturday, I don't have to. Or maybe Thursday, but I don't have to for sure on Friday and Saturday if it storms, like power hour or something like that, or hail or whatever. But I do on the weeks because the reason I have to do that, well, if this isn't right, then I don't know what it is. But you can comment down below and say it's stupid, because I think it's stupid too. But I think the reason is because like it's hailing, and if I sleep, I'll get it like out of my head. So in the morning, right now, I won't remember what happened last night. And last night, I kind of had a nightmare, and I was like laying on the couch. My mom said, "What's wrong?" And then I started flipping out. Like I kept on telling her stuff. I forgot what I told her. I think I told her I plugged in the phone. She's like, "I don't care if you plugged in the phone. What is wrong?" I'm like, I plugged in the phone. He's like, "I don't care." And all that stuff. So looks like we're going outside, because I do that after it like rains, so I can show you guys around. It's so muddy back there. I never go back there, guys. Look at that, that's still dripping. And the sky's clearing up and all that. But like over the house, well, the sun's right there, but focus. Let it focus. I hate it when it does that. And you can see under the trampoline, there's like a mud hole, big mud hole. That's where Dozer sleeps. And we don't have the steps anymore, because we had to use it like under the pool. But we're going to get some more. Then my pool is green. Wah, I can't swim in it anymore. But we're going to get a new one this week. And look how much this grass messed up. Oh my gosh. The basketball goal broke. Well, it was like that, but like it broke even more, because I came out here this morning to jump on a trampoline, and dude, that thing almost broke when I did dunk with the basketball. My gosh, it almost broke right on top of me. And this is all wet. Over there, it's all muddy, but my pool is leaking, so it's gonna be like that for a while. So my pool is leaking like crazy. So this is a little tiny hole though, but a lot of water comes out of it somehow. And there's this. And guys, if when I just told you that I have to hold my pool, I know about the patch thing. My dad has it, but he said he can't do it because 1, we don't have any goggles, and 2, we need a new pump, which we try to fix it. That's why, hold on, that's why this, and all that stuff, guys, and we need chlorine, and yeah, so we're just going to get a new pool. And if you want me to prove that we have that patch thing, I will. So I'll go prove it right now. And yeah, I'm going to stay in after that. So, because I think it's going to start raining again like it's gonna get cloudy and it's gonna start thundering and raining and lightning and I don't know. So maybe that stuff. You're going to get to see my dog go crazy. Okay? Come on, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hurry up, it's open like 9, 10, 11, 12. Wanna see my la 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 la. 3, 4, who's that knocking at my door? 5, 6, 7, 8, hurry up and jump in. 10, 11, 12. So if you enter this door right here, it's like a secret room. It's like, well, it's a laundry room, but like you enter this door and there's another room, a laundry room, and you close it and then you're stuck into the laundry room. A skateboard with no wheels. I bought it. Okay, Jazzy? I bought it. Okay, there's my dog. He's not going that crazy, but he's going pretty. Okay, Dozer. He just jumped at me. He's kind of mad at me right now. Oh, he's not mad. He's excited. Alright, Dozer, stop it. Okay, so the thing's right there. Right there, and I'll show you. You don't get to get back here, Dozer. So, fools. So, see? Pool repair kit. And yeah, so above ground pools, in ground pools, all that stuff. So, works for almost everything, but I guess we're not using it. I don't know why, but I keep on asking if I can. Like, please, all that stuff. See, there's Dozy. There's some air. It's good air. Because if we like shut the garage door all the way, then Dozer won't have very good air. Because like, I don't know why, but there's all kinds of like stuff in here, see? Like all that. There's gas. Look how messy it is. Yeah, so. And Dozer's catching flies. Right when somebody comes out and Dozer's out here, Dozer starts catching flies. All that stuff, and I probably have to do the dishes. His Trey yells at me if I don't. Just kidding. Oh. But I ain't want to do dishes because I get paid like $5 each chore. I do the dishes, vacuum, clean the kitchen, clean the living room. Well, clean the whole house is $10. Yeah, so I save up to buy some more of my favorite shoes, Supras. So I still have my purple Supras, if you guys remember those. But they're kind of tearing up. So like, if you open, like where your toe is, if you open that, like white or whatever, you'll be able to see it. Don't tell me I have to prove it to that too. Guess I will. But Dozy! Dozy's so cute! Just let me pet him, okay? Hey! What do you have? Ah! Who cares? I'm just kidding. It's probably food because, like, he's like our vacuum because if we let him in the house, which I can't right now, but if we let him in the house and there's, like, cereal on the floor, he'll, like, bend down and, like, eat it. And I'm like, Dozer! So he's like a vacuum cleaner. He isn't peer pooping here anymore. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. You're still wet. I hit him and he started running. Dozer, you better get your butt over here, big boy. Alright, so, want to get cold? You're getting cold! You're freezing! Sorry guys, you got cold. Just go ahead and get a blanket if you need to. Ooh, beer. Oh, it's empty. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm way kidding. Cause I do not want to go to jail, or I do not want to go to jail. Oh, I don't want to jail. I don't want to go to jail. If you guys want to pause this and read this, it's what to do when it rains or thunderstorms. You can pause it. Okay. Yeah. So you just paused it, you played it again, what's up again? Yeah, so. Dozer? Smackdown. Smackdown. Let me give my baby a hug. Come here. Come here. Guys, Dozer isn't even a year old yet. He's still like months old. Oh, dude. Sit. Sit, big boy. He's a big balloon. Yeah. Yes, you are. You're a big balloon. He sits in my lap. No, I'm not gonna play with you right now. I'm too tired. Video it. Let me video it. Let me video it, Dozy. So there's Dozy right here, being a good little puppy, as usual. Sometimes. You're the one that wants to play. Yes, you are. Give me a hug. So this Dozer here isn't even a year old. And he growls, he barks, he howls, he does all that stuff. That's annoying. Those are so cute. I'm the best dog in the world. And that's my Dozy. I have the best dog in the world. I had Hank, Hallie, Harley, Bella, and now Dozer. You. Will you marry me? No, I no, no, no. This is what you guys see. I love you. Yes, I do. Hey, you better stop that. You better stop that. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you my shoes. They're probably gonna have to x-ray my teeth when I go back to the dentist. I want to get braces again. Yeah. Dozer, you're stupid. You're a good boy. I thought we were in 5th grade. Whatever. Hey, you better sit your butt down. Come here. The viewers need to see you. Here he is, guys. It's my big blue. Chubby Wubby!
I'm Tommy Robin. One time, my daddy took me over a motorcycle ride. I said, "Daddy, don't go too fast, or I will beat your butt."
Woo! No, you're big. Yeah. Dozer, you stay here. Dozer. God, he's huge. Look at that. Look how big this boy is. Look at the legs. Woo-wee. Yeah, big boy. Look at the feet. Oh my gosh. He's a big fatty. He's what you guys to see him. He's like, no, I don't let them see me. Well, Dozer, you have to let them see you. Get your big butt over here now. Dozer, get over here now. Get, no. Hey, yeah. Dozer. You know what? I'm gonna think about a toy. Ha! What you gonna do about it, fool? What? What you gonna do? Come over here. Come on, the mirror see you. Come on. Come on. Yay! Get over here! You fatty. Ain't I supposed to be chasing you? What are you chasing me for? Oh, my feet. That's freaking always. Yo. Comment below if you thought that was funny. See, my tree's gone. Look. Look at the sky. Dozer! Look, guys. Ready? Focus. Wait. Okay, Dozer, look. Ready? Dozer! Bye, Dozer. Bye. This is what it looks like with the lights off. No, you ain't coming in, fool. Hey, Dozer, come here. Watch this, guys. Okay, Dozer, sit. Go. Oh yeah, my shoes. Nope, not this one. Yep, see? These are swag though. So I'm saving up for some more. Except they have like the strap thing. I think the strap ones are better. I don't know why, but no fair, they're clear still. No fair, they probably have like not one cloud in the sky. What you guys wanna do? Okay, let me show you how to make cereal. It's been 27 minutes long. Dishes. I'll show you how to make, let's see here. None of that. Let's see what's in here. It's supposed to be veggies. Yep. Potato! Yeah, that's an onion. Oh, potato. It just looks like it on the phone, but it's an onion. What? Ham. Hot dogs. Potato. And here's spaghetti. Let me show you guys how to make spaghetti. Wait, let me see it. There's like silver in there, I'm not eating it. Nope, good. See? Spaghetti. This is how to warm up spaghetti without having to make it fire. Number 1. Get a bowl exactly like this. Okay? No, it's not. I'm just kidding. But get a bowl. Like, metal bowl. And then, get a large fork. Big fork. And put it in there and then twist the fork into the spaghetti. Keep on doing it. Then you got this much. Now, do it again. Can you guys not make it that much? All I do is twist it in for like 5 seconds. Next, do not leave silverware into spaghetti. It'll make it poisonous. Then you put your bowl of spaghetti in the microwave. Shut it. 1, 0, 0. 1 minute. Then you press start. Then you watch it. Because while watching, I have to put my cough drops in that tank in there. My secret thing. Where are my cough drops? Holy crap, where's my cough drops? Hold on, guys. There they are. Oh, God. Whew. Cough drops. See? This. Check it when it's at how old you are. If you're 10 like me, start at 10. If you're 5, start at 5. If you're 3, stop at 3. If you're 28, stop it at 28. Ricola! I have Ricola. Ha, they're getting cloudy. What? No, don't get cloudy. Spaghetti. Take it out. Shut it. Bring it over to your spoon area. Open. Get your spoon. Well, fork. Stick it in there. Watch part 2 because I want to watch American Dad. Alright? And Family Guy. So, which part 2 on? Bye. Oh, peace on the streets. Spaghetti.